feel? Feeling safe and well. Arm, cough, wash my hands. Jack, how you feel? Feeling safe and well. Feeling safe and well. Charlie, how you feel? Feeling safe and well. Ooh, kids need to kick off your shoes. Gotta take a deep breath. Time to focus on school. All those big books, math, fast.
Oh yeah, we're live from the Bat Cave. How about that? Awesome job, Jack and Charlie from Seekonk. How you feeling, Charlie? How you feeling, Jack? Their principal loves to do snow day raps, so they followed his example.
Can we get that video over to Lizzo, please?
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, this is exactly what we want to see from you guys at home.
Yep.
Make us a little video. We'll share them right here. And you know what? It's going to brighten everyone's day.
Look at
don't you
1,
think?
2, 3 people smiling. I'm guessing everybody at home too. That was fantastic.